Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by shutting the Xbox 360 down and unplugging everything. Make sure it sits for 10 minutes so stored power bleeds off. Once done, set up on a clear, static-free workspace with Torx T8/T10, a Philips plastic pry tools, compressed air, 90% plus isopropyl alcohol, and fresh thermal paste. You will remove the outer shell and faceplate now. Take photos as you go and organize screws in order. This saves time and prevents reassembly errors later. You remove the case, metal shields, and carefully expose the fan and heatsink. Make sure to keep screws grouped. Once exposed, blow dust out with short bursts of compressed air from a distance so the fan does not overspin, and vacuum lightly around the vents. Next, unbolt the heatsink and lift it straight up. You will see old thermal paste. Clean both chip and heatsink surfaces with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol until residue is gone, and check fan bearings for wobble or noise. You now apply a pea-sized drop of high-quality thermal paste to the GPU and carefully lower the heatsink, aligning posts and tightening screws in a diagonal pattern so pressure is even. Once reseated, reassemble the console, reconnect power, and run a 30 to 60 minute stress test while watching for normal fan behavior and stable temperatures. If the console still overheats, make sure the heatsink is not warped and the fan spins smoothly. If problems persist, stop and consult a professional for reflow or component replacement.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.